Part 2, living in Maine after a winter January storm. And here is my faithful companion, my sweetheart, Hannah Banana, who has now cleaned the basketball court. Let's also show what else she's done. Taking you down our driveway, and this is heading towards our garage. Again, 11 degrees, wind chill about 7, 8 below zero at this point. Supposed to go, I don't know, 30 below. Anyway, our garage, the upstairs of the addition that was added in the 1980s for us to use as a bed and breakfast. We have our wood piles, our picnic table. Straight ahead is the area for the fire pit that our son Will built. But it's now under about 12 inches of snow. We take you up the stairway to the bed and breakfast. We have 2 rooms that are available from April to October. A private deck for anyone who stays. We don't sell these rooms anymore or rent them. They are just used for family and friends. And these are the 2 doors. They have a 3/4 back. You see the back of the main cape, built in 1974. Our yard. Now we have some nice privacy. That house you see in the distance, there's a 1/4 acre between us and that house. And we finish with the shed. So thank you for taking this time to see what it's like on a cold, bitter day, January 3rd, 2014, York, Maine.